Hello and welcome to this video on how to improve your communication skills. Effective communication is an important skill in both personal and professional settings. Here are a few tips to help you improve your communication skills. Listen actively. This means paying attention to the person speaking and showing that you understand what they are saying. Avoid interrupting or thinking about your response while they are still speaking. Be clear and direct, speak clearly, and use simple, easy-to-understand language. Avoid using jargon or complex words that the other person may not understand. Speak confidently, speak in a confident and assertive tone without sounding aggressive or confrontational. Use nonverbal communication. Your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice can also convey your message. Be aware of how you present yourself and try to use nonverbal communication that supports your verbal message.